told me long ago how your 20s come and go, and I know you can say goodbye to those younger days. It's your birthday, so they say, another candle on the cake, and I wonder, will it trip the smoke alarm? And I wanna know, is there dairy in the cake? And I wanna know, what will the fire marshal say when 30 candles start a raging flame? Maybe we should just invest. A 3 and 0 would be best. And I know Smokey the Bear would say yes. There's a fire extinguisher next to the refrigerator door, and make sure there's a fire truck on standby. And I wanna know, is there dairy in the cake? And I wanna know, what will the fire marshal say when 30 candles start a raging flame? And I wanna know, is there dairy in the cake? And I wanna know, what will the fire marshal say when 30 candles start a raging flame? When 30 candles start a raging flame.